pataas ba o pababa na si gold. So check natin yan sa charts, and also meron tayong mga fundamentals. Okay, so by the way guys, meron tayong Telegram community wherein nagsisend tayo ng mga trade signals yan. So kung makikita nyo, meron tayong specific trade entries dito. Ayan, so meron tayong mga yan, nakalagay TP hit. Ayan, and yan, so napakarami. May mga trade ideas pa tayo, may mga testimonials. Yan, so meron din syempre may mga na-SL hit din tayo. Hindi natin tinatago yan. May SL hit tayo. And yan, so trade ideas and anything that you want to ask. Meron din tayong mga free webinars dito. So if you're interested to trade, and we can guide you, we can help you, check nyo lang yung link natin dyan sa bio and sa description. So early morning, no, 9 AM yan today. TP hit na agad tayo, TP1 hit, TP2 hit, $50 move na kuha natin yan. So meron pang mga iba dyan. And so may mga pending orders din tayong binabato dyan. So hindi lang gold, we are expanding to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So yun, check natin. Okay, so dito nga sa chart natin, no, we are looking at our channel, no, yung upward channel natin. And ayun, it's highly respected, no, itong upper boundary. So look at this. Yan, 3 beses siya nung tugdon. And we are expecting that it would somehow go back here or somewhere below here before it goes back up sa 4,000 na gold, no. So currently hindi naman siya malayo at 3,925. So TP hit na nga tayo dyan sa sinignal natin dyan. So ayan, we are expecting it to go back down here, have some retracement, no. So probably kahit dito sa level na to, no, sa 39, yan, dito sa level na yun. So just going back sa malapit dito sa ating EMA 50. Ayan, so it's not really impossible, no. So malapit lang yan. So the fact na pinuntahan niya yan pataas itong leg na to, ayan, so kayang-kaya niyang balikan yan. Ayan, so with gold kasi, there's a fundamental reason kaya siya umakyat. So there's central bank demand, safe haven demand, sentiment, no, kasi geopolitical risk, yung Ukraine and Russia war is intensifying, tapos sumasali na rin si US also with the US government shutdown. So there's a lot of reason why there's a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of reason why in demand si gold. Pero pag yan nagsunod-sunod naman na pag yan naman nagsunod-sunod na good news naman, no. So let's say for example nagkaroon ng ceasefire, no, ng peace talks between Ukraine and Russia, ceasefire, and also with Israel and Hamas, also bumalik na rin yung US government, hindi na siya shut down. So it's really possible na it could go back down. So pero for me, as long as this one is intact, ito hanggang dito lang ang ibababa niya, 3,860. and as long as na nandyan lang siya, it's not going down sa 3,820 level, which is ito, kapantay na nito, no. So kung mabutas niya to, ayan, pwede nyo targetin to, yan 3,820. And then just look left, just go to the higher time frame natin. Ayan, so marami tayong pwedeng targetin dyan. Ayan. Ayan, so napakahaba ng move na to, para hindi bumalik. Ayan, so kahit yung ano lang, no, remove natin. So yan, yung mga red na yan, ano lang yan, alerts lang yan from our trading view. So very good application. So tingnan na lang natin, no. Yan, so with our moving average, as long as this one is still intact din, so there's a really high possibility na bullish pa rin talaga, and it can still go up. Okay, so that's around 3.8 lang, napakalapit lang yan. So kung bumaba sa 3.8, napakalapit, so hindi imposible. And ito nga, pag nabasag niya yung EMA 50 natin, yan, pwede tayo mag target dito sa mga 3781, 3695, 37, and so on so forth. Just look left, there's a lot of resistance there, support, dating resistance na naging support. Ayan, so ayan, may mga levels pa dito, no? Ayan, dito. Okay, so but we are not aiming for that right now kasi napakalayo pa, and still the sentiment and all the fundamental reasons bullish talaga si gold. So with that, buy on dips. So hintayin nyo bumaba, let's go to our time frame. Yan, so hintayin nyo lang siyang bumaba sa mga certain levels, like for example nasa 3925 tayo, then maybe we can buy here sa 39, no? So hindi naman siya malayo, or we can buy here sa 3920. So testing the waters if it's gonna go up, but if it's not, then we can wait it out until 39. So yun, pwede pa niyang bagsakan yan ng todo hanggang 38, no? 3850, 3875, pwede niyo bagsakan ng todo yan. Pero pag bumagsak na yan ng 3850, bumaba na siya ng 3850, then it can go further down. Okay, but not all the way down to 37 or 36 yet. There's a possibility pa rin na umakyat siya sa 4,000. And buy stop levels, very important, mga pending orders, no? So you can set, let's say for example we are at 3944, then you can set your buy stop levels at 3952. Ayan, so lagyan nyo na ng konting leeway, and then you can target 3970, 3975, which is a psychological level, and eventually 4,000. So kasi pag nag-over around na siya ng 3950, there's a high possibility na mag-hit na siya ng 4,000. And that's it, guys. Hopefully masabayan natin tong gold, no? So ako rin mismo syempre dapat sinasabayan ko to. Yan, so sumasabay naman tayo. And yun, sobrang umay na nga tayong bumili dyan. So gusto na rin natin mag-sell kasi sell is actually the real big move here. And yung mga kinukuha natin ngayon with the buy, so dapat meron tayo sa pinakailalim para talagang safe na safe tayo sa pagsakay. Pero if not, ayan, so buy on dips lang, huwag tayong bibili habang umaakyat siya. So hintayin nyo rin siyang bumaba ng konti, ayan, bago tayo bumili. So utilize natin yung mga pending orders, no? Lalo na kung busy tayo, like buy limit, buy stop levels, or sell stop, sell limit. Meron ding buy stop limit. So anything about the pending order. So that's it. Again, I highly invite you to join our community. Nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa my description. And also if you want to start trading, nandiyan din yung link natin to create an account and register. So thank you so much. You have a good day.